Students of the Central Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science, Imphal Umayam, staged a protest today demanding the immediate dismissal of a professor of the institution who has been accused of sexually harassing two students of the college, whose identities have been withheld. The professor accused of involvement in the alleged acts of sexual harassment, which has been identified as Professor Pranab Datta. Protesting against the alleged misconduct by the professor, which has reportedly created fear and insecurity among female students, the students gathered within the college campus carrying placards and banners bearing messages demanding and condemning violence and harassment against women. They also strongly urged the authorities of the institution to immediately terminate the accused professor from his post. In support of the two students who allegedly face harassment and sexual misconduct by the professor, member of the women organization in Reboy, Word, led by its president Kong Mirajun Marsing and advisor Kong Rivulet Kaila along with other members, also joined the protest demonstration.
All the students of CPGS AS Umayam, we have come together to protest against the sexual harassment of our two fellow research scholars by the chairman of School of Crop Protection, Professor Pranab Datta, and the girls have been sexually harassed by the professor. So we have come together to stand and fight against the sexual harassment. And also we are truly disturbed by how the internal complaint committee has been handling the case. So we want justice and we want
since he has not been terminated or any legal notice or circular has been made till now, because such kind of faculty or a person shouldn't be allowed in the campus or anywhere in this academic campus. So we want a complete termination for him, and until the further notice, we want him to stay out of this campus, and that's our major demand. And we need an external complaint committee to look into the matter further, because we have no trust in the internal complaint committee. That's what we are doing.
The victims have reported this has happened since the previous past few months. He has started this since last few months.
We will put further complaints to the higher and higher authorities, and we won't stop until and unless he got terminated from this university.
Organization of Reboy district ini kadai keseng kabapek dan organization kabapek ya kabahagamnya jongki belum ki kentai oki kena samla ki long kami hak kabia dai bati kentai ti hadin bangila ayo ka complain la ki student jong kene ka university ka badonang ni ha Umayam halor ka jingsha haras ke jongki te ka pelong yangi kumki long kami jong ka Reboy district himo ka women organization of Reboy district ka pelong yangi bangin wan kan banya ai men simiki na marni perkhat ai jinglong ka jinglong ka jing em ka baman ka si ka jongi ki kun ki kiti ki jongi ki babun ki don sabar ki pule sabar lada kum kini ki jingja ki ja ki kun ki kiti ki jongi kan long kan pensong si ya ka men sim ki jongi ru ha bangi pe kini ki student ki badon hang ne ki bapli ki jangai na la ki jongi ki mi ki pa na la ka jong ka sinong ka thau ki mi ki pa le si he ki jinglong duk la ne ki jinglong perdu ki le si tom ban pha pule la ki jong ki kun banio e ki jing nang jing start but shu kane ka university ka badon hang ne ka dai ka bahap hapo jong ka Reboy district tingim sngau tanat ba kine ki university ki banabar ha ba kin wan sapo ka Reboy district jongi ba kin wan pelong tangkum ka jaka banle be ijot e ki khana school ki jongki tena kaliang jong ka women organization of Reboy district ni condemn ya une professor uba harasi kine ki student but ni ong ru bana kaliang jongi we strongly support e kine ki student.
President Women Organization of Reboy District. Yo ikan complain, hadin bala yo complain. Saturday, immediately ngila ay pisang ban buat ikilat enti jingaram, ngila consult iki, tingla pentip sa Women Commission, ngila pentip ru sagi police officer badi jong ka women's wing mo. Ti ngila yo banyakan beki, ngila yo ban discuss beki ti hadin katanya ay ka motivational support iki, bakin nya sa perang namar bangi sutho ba kani ka harassment, sexual harassment ya kikina kambi tangga ya kikina na nagi long kumi kambi ka bajatang hangi hapo district jongi kadi ka bajaj kiwi ki chakaru babuni ki naki brio ki bangat hakini ki jingjam kimnut ika bansim ka step bakin wan sakman bak pelong iki bakin position tu bakin le iki nukin bantik any drastic step to harm themselves. Te kenang ban like ni kini iki baro ngi kum kilong kami ngi don yak tak hok bangin support iki kenang ban ai men sim iki kinu ki basam kumi kini jingja bakin wan sakmat bakin mi sakmat bakin complain be la kalong hakano kono kom lok kin dei ya ka ban shifting ka ba jai ki kun kentai ki jongi mo ni dei ban nut ya ka ban slur ya ka ban kren ya hok ba ki jing sisa te nak daw na kalyang jongi ni wan hang ni ban support iki tinggal yok ban ni kren beki te nak kalyang jongi ni pau ri ki jing sungu UDC USP jong kri boy ki kla yo jing tips pangkannya but immediate action kla sim kla pha iki police hang ni ban protection te kum ju mentasa sipang esi kla ban wan ki magistrate tengi pimpau ke jing sungu no DC but SP ro jong kri boy district kla sim immediate action on this matter tang katai ke disu.
That's the only immediate suggestion we could give while the inquiry is still going on.
While the inquiry is still going on, the immediate action that you could have taken was the immediate action that you could have taken was to refrain that person from interacting with the students. But that person can still interact with the committee members.
No, unless we call him for the inquiry, and not in contact with
the
us.
Did you call for a hearing of the students who put the complaint?
We thought of sitting today, but then this happened.
Because the transfer order came out on the 8th against the alleged professor, right?
Sir, I want to add something with your permission.
Students' response, then our planning is to call the two complainant individually, separately, and call also respondent separately. After that, we can, according to the post act, we are proceeding step by step.
Sir, is it allowed that
Then immediately I said, okay, you go for IC committee.
Sir, आप लोगों को नहीं पता चला? जो लोग नहीं भी पता है ना, हम लोगों को पता चल गया कि आईसी कमेटी कल आया था, सेनेटर को पूछिए।
No, guys.
कल बोला था ना, हाथ काट दूंगी क्योंकि मेरे को डर लग रहा है।
सुनो, जब भागीरथ जी आए थे तब संडे को क्यों खुल गया है? जवाब दो, बातें होगी, जेल होगी। सुनो, सर एक और बात।
Both the students now who have lodged the complaint, and I have come to know that the complaint was lodged on.
Only chairman.
I am here from the district administration. I'm a magistrate, so bear with me.